Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing something different than usual. I'm going to be changing my fog light bowls on my Corsa D. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be dropping the bumper down and taking it off basically, so I can reach where the fog lights are, and obviously to take the bowls out and put the new ones in. What I'm putting in are these ones here, and basically I can control the colours of them, because I was going to get halos but I just thought they were like too expensive, and obviously some of them I looked online, they weren't actually waterproof, so I thought I might as well just get RGB bulbs and I can just keep them white and then change them whenever I want, and they have different modes as well. I'll leave the link to them in the description so you can check them out. I got them on Amazon. They're only £15 I think, so it's not extreme compared to like £65 to £95 for halos. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. What you need to do this job is an 8mm socket, a T20 bit, a ratchet spanner if you've got one, and obviously your bowls. So let's get into this and I'll show you where you use these. The T20, all you're going to use it for is the 5 T20 bolts underneath the car, underneath the bumper, and in here where there's one here and there's another one here. So if you probably can't see, but there's another one there. So there's obviously some on the other side, 2 more, and then there's 5 underneath. Obviously the top half of the bumper you need the 8mm socket, so basically you just take all these ones off, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and obviously the 5 underneath and then the 2 on the sides. So once you've taken all of them off, you should be able to remove your front bumper on the Corsa D. Take off my front bumper to get to the fog lights is because they're literally all the way down there behind, obviously here, which I can't show the camera. I maybe can show you this side, which there you can see it in the corner is where the fog lights are. So yeah, so let's get cracking with taking the bumper off. Beforehand, what I'm going to do is take the side ones out on each side, and to do that what I would recommend is turning your wheel to obviously the opposite side. So let me just turn it on quick. So I turn it all the way to the right and the left each time I just want to change it and take them off. So there you go, you can clearly see now there's one here and there will be one right here. Focus. Anyway, there's one literally right above my finger, so let's get ahead and doing them. Suggest doing is when you've got if you've got any, I'd put them in any like sort of bag, and obviously I've named which bit I've used for it, just so I know where they live and know it's the correct bolts. So now we're on to the bolts underneath. So there's one here, 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 and there's 2 more like here, and obviously over this side here. So let's get on doing them. You've done that, you grab your 8mm socket and put it on the ratchet, and then you just literally just take them off. So let's get doing it. basically, you see there, that's where the fog light is, and then you just grab your new ones and just swap them over. So literally all you just do is you just literally just twist it like that and it should pop out. And for the old one, what I'm doing is I'm just connecting the new one up. All you do is just push it all the way in and just make sure it clips over the edge like so. And yeah, you should just literally just put it back in and it should be fine. There we go, I've just literally just turned them on and they work. So let's do the other side and we'll put them back together and see what they both look like. Both in, let's put the bumper back on and see what they look like. If you guys want to buy some of these, I'll leave the link to them in the description of this video. So I hope you enjoyed, hope that the video is alright and a good way of like showing you of how to change them. So yeah, so this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you liked it like I said. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.